Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.4 which is option exercise of second chapter polynomial. Now see, what is the first question? Verify that the numbers given along with the cubic polynomial are the zeros. This is the first part of this question. After that, also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of each case. It means two cases are given. Now this is the first part. Polynomial is given, cubic polynomial is given, and these three zeros are given alongside. First we have to check whether these three are zeros of this polynomial or not. Before starting this question, now see here. I write here standard form of the cubic polynomial. What is the standard form? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Since this is a cubic polynomial, therefore this polynomial having three zeros, namely alpha, beta and gamma. Now, this cubic polynomial also has some formula. Now see, what is the formula? Sum of the zeros. Sum of zero means we are going to add these zeros. But how I write alpha plus beta plus gamma, formula become minus b by a. After that, sum of the product of zeros taking two at a time. What is the meaning? Three zeros are given. What I write here? Sum of the product. Sum of the product taken two at a time. And it means we have to take two zeros at a time. Like alpha beta plus beta gamma and gamma alpha. This formula is known as C by A. Sum C by A. After that, product of the zeros alpha beta gamma minus D by A. Okay. Using this formula, I am going to check its verification part. Now, I am going to start this question. See, these three zeros are given. We have to check either these three are the zeros of the given polynomial or not. How we check? I am going to substitute this value in this polynomial. After substituting the value of 1 by 2 instead of f, if this polynomial becomes 0, then it is the zeros of the given polynomial. Now see, how we are going to check? Instead of x, I write 1 by 2. Similarly, x become 1 by 2 and its cube, x become 1 by 2 and square, and x become 1 by 2. And last term is same. Now, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 5 ones are 5 and this become 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. What is the LCM? 4, 4, 2, 1 is LCM is 4. Now 4 is cancelled with 4, 1 is left. Similarly 4 is cancelled with 4, 1 is left. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and this 4 2s are 8. Now this positive and this positive. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, minus 10, 10 minus 10 0, 0 plus something is 0. Now see, after substituting the value 1 by 2 in this polynomial, answer becomes 0. It means 1 by 2 is the zeros of the given polynomial. Now I want to check 1 by either 1 is 0 or not. Now see, what I do? Instead of x, I write 1. Similarly, 1 cube, 1 square and 1. Cube of 1 is 1, 2 ones are 2. Square of 1 is 1, written 1, 5 ones are 5 and plus 2. Now these three terms are positive. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 5 become 0. Now see, after substituting the value of 1 in this polynomial, answer becomes 0. It means 1 is also zeros of this polynomial. Now I want to check either 1 by 2 is zeros or not. Now see here, instead of x, I write 1 by 2. 2 same, x become minus 2 cube, x square become minus 2 square, and x become only simple minus 2. And last term remains same because this is constant term. Now see here, minus cube is minus and 2 cube is 8. It will become minus 8 and 2 become minus 16. Minus 2 square become positive and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now minus minus plus 2 5s are 10 and this become 2. Now these three are positive terms. 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 minus 16 become 0. After substituting minus 2, this polynomial also becomes 0. It means minus 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of given polynomial. Now this is the first part is clear. After that, I am going to check the verification part. For verification part, I am going to use this formula. Now I want to write sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. What is the value of alpha? 1 by 2. What is the value of beta? 1. And what is the value of gamma? It is minus 2. So I write here minus 2. Alpha become 1 by 2, beta become 1 and gamma become minus 2. And the values, now see here, this polynomial is given, this cubic polynomial is given. I am going to compare its standard form. What is the standard form of cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of the cubic written on that side also. Now see here, coefficient of x cube is a, so a become 2. I write here a become 2. Where I written? This one is written. Value of b become 1, value of c become minus 5, and d become 2. Clear? Now minus as it is, value of b is 1, value of a is 2, so this become minus 1 by 2. Right hand side is solved. Now what is LCM of 2, 1 and 2? 2 is LCM, 2 is cancelled with 2. What is left? 1. Here is 1 is written, it means 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now see here, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 4, minus 1. So left hand side equal to right hand side. It means sum is verified. After that, what is right here? Sum of the product taking 2 at a time. Formula is written, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, c by same. Now what is the value of alpha? 1 by 2, beta 1, right here, beta 1, gamma minus 2, again gamma minus 2, and alpha is 1 by 2. Now see, 1 1s are 1 and 2 remain same, plus minus minus 2, and this one is cancelled, 2 1s are 2, what is left? Minus 1. I take LCM 2 1 and 2, 2 is LCM, 2 is cancelled, 2, only 1 is left. Now this become 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now see here, minus minus plus, minus 6 plus 1 become minus 5 by 2. Now see here, c is given, what is the value of c? See here, what is the value of c? Minus 5. What is the value of a? 2. Right here minus 5 by 2. Now see here, left hand side and right hand side are equal. It means this part is also verified. Now last, product of the zeros is left. Product of the, what is the formula? Alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. Alpha is given 1 by 2. See here, value of beta is given 1. Value of gamma is given minus 2. This one is cancelled. What is left? Minus 1. Now what is d? See here, what is d? 2. Right here 2. What is a? Also 2. 2 is cancelled with 2. What is left? Minus 1. Both sides are equal. Left hand side equal to right hand side. It means product is also verified. So answer is over. Hence verified.